Hello, I'm Kathy with Alkaline Water Plus, and I am doing an experiment today. I'm first of all trying to get this flow rate regulated. I think I finally do have it to where they're both flowing in at the same amount, or flow rate, I suppose is the right word for it. And I'm going to go ahead. I've got the Tyent 7070 level 3 on the right, and then the Jupiter Melody on the left. And I'm going to go ahead and just test those and see which, how they compare with each other. And in my previous testing, they are fairly comparable. So let's take a look. Now there's quite a few differences between these two, and they are both excellent water ionizers. I just want you to be aware of that. But the Tyent 7070 has 7 large slotted plates, and obviously it's a bigger water ionizer. It has 2 filters in it. And then the Melody has 5 solid plates, and it has 1 Biostone filter in it. Now on the Tyent, we're coming in about a negative 450 on the ORP. Let's check out what the pH is, and that's an 11.15 on the pH. All right, so let's go over here and see what the Melody is. Give it a chance to settle down a little bit. I'm trying to think of what other differences are here between these two. Like I said, they are both excellent water ionizers, and water ionizers, by the way, in general, are becoming so much more sophisticated than they used to be 16 and a half or 17 years ago when I first started drinking alkaline ionized water. And I've just been so healthy all these years, and my whole family our lives have changed from drinking ionized water. So this is really super stuff here. Now the ORP on the Melody looks real similar actually to the Tyent. And it's just amazing how similar these two very, very different machines will come out. And look at that, negative 450. And then over here on the pH, 11.22. I'll probably just flip back and forth here just a little bit, because I do forget what the pH was on the Tyent. That's 11.17. And let's see, that is so close. And then the ORP, actually it's looking like it's even getting even higher, a negative 450 something. Looks like it's going to go up to negative 460. Still climbing. So I'd like to kind of just flip back and forth between these two, just to, see, are they still staying about equal, or is one clearly lower than the other? Looks like the Melody might be just a tad lower, with the negative 427 here, and it clearly looks like the Tyent is higher. It's going straight back up to the higher. So going back and forth, I think, is a fair test, because then it really isn't, we're not basing it on which one was tested first or second. They're both being tested back and forth. And again, let's do that pH again. This is coming in at 11.23 approximately, and this is coming in at about 11.17 approximately. Now, just, if you really think about it, these are almost identical. That is an amazing thing that I've found with good water ionizers. The technicians, or the engineers, I should say, that the designers that make these machines know what they're doing. They know how to ionize the water, and they make a machine that does that. And these are both excellent machines. Either one I would suggest you buy, and just pick one and buy it. You will be happy you did. Thank you very much.